Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber. I am a toddler girl mama to a 2-year-old, and I am just doing some nighttime cleaning before bed tonight. I always like to tidy up the night before, clean my living room, get all the laundry put away if there's laundry. It doesn't always happen, but I always like to try, so that way the next day it's just easy and it's just to start fresh. Comment below what your least favorite chore is, because mine is laundry. I cannot stand to do laundry. I don't mind putting it in the washer or putting it in the dryer, but folding, yeah, that'll take 10 business days. So now I'm just picking up my daughter's toys and just trying to pick up everything and just have a reset from everything that she played with that day. So this Christmas we did Elf on the Shelf, and my daughter has one. Her name is Peppermint, and my daughter was obsessed and somehow got a hold of her, so that's why she's right there, because I need to go HIDE hide her, so I need to go do that like ASAP. So as I was wiping down this table, this whole basket decided just to fall down and everything fell out. So now I'm just going to vacuum, and y'all, I love my cordless vacuum. I have the Dyson, and I just love it. But I also love the Shark cordless vacuum. So, yeah, I'm just vacuuming for the night and just getting my floors all clean. I had mopped the night before and found another bear, just throw it. But yeah, my living room is somewhat more clean, put away. Her toys are just busting out of the seams. No matter how many times I go through her toys, it's just too much. And now I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen and just wiping everything down, and yeah. So one thing I always try to do every single night is clean my kitchen. I love to just wake up the next day with a clean kitchen, dishes out of the sink, dishes either in the dishwasher to be put away. I just like to clean my kitchen before bed, so that way in the morning it's just a lot easier and I'm not waking up to the night before mess. Although it doesn't always happen because toddler life, toddler mama, but I always try to make it a priority. And so on this particular night, we were making cookies. Skillet cookies are by far my favorite. Don't mind that skillet because we used it for dinner tonight. But skillet cookies are my favorite. And you just let it cool down, and then you will like cut it like you were cutting a pizza, and then put it on top of ice cream. Oh, it's so good. It's my absolute favorite way to make cookies. So now I'm just trying to find a place for all these wine glasses that I just do not need anymore. More than likely, I will probably donate them because I'm not really a wine drinker. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not, but I just really don't drink wine a lot. So I just don't really have the use for them anymore. So I'm just wiping down my counters, and I just love to just give my counters a good wipe down and clean. And so I try to do that all the time, every night before bed as well. So that way my countertops are all clean. So this is where the disaster is. There's so much in my sink that needs to be put away and loaded in the dishwasher. So that's what I'm fixing to do here. And as you can see, the dishwasher was still hot. It just got done. But that way, I could just get that unloaded and onto the next load. Let me know, is anyone like me, they unload the dishwasher and then just put the dishes on the counter and then put them away? Or do you put them away as you are unloading the dishwasher? I feel like my dishwasher is in such a weird place, so it's very hard to get to the upper cabinets while the dishwasher is open. So for me, that's why I just put everything on the counter, and then I will put everything away once I get the dishwasher closed or the next load in. So I got these Home Sweet Home placemats at the Dollar Tree, and I just do not love them. I just don't love them. So I had to throw them away because they were just all nasty, and just no matter how many times I wiped it down, they just did not get clean. And so if you have any good recommendations for placemats, let your girl know. My next favorite thing is getting my kitchen sink a good wash and clean and scrub down. I just love to have my kitchen sink very clean. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite chore is. Nothing is more satisfying than a clean sink, am I right? So, there you have it. There's my nighttime clean with me. It's not perfect, but it is the reality of a mama. My kitchen has still cups all over it because I've done lots of lids, and so mom life. If you know, you know. But yeah, so thank you all for watching, and subscribe if you have not. See you in my next video. Bye.